建议，建议，建议。
Suggestion. Recommendation.
Suggestion. Recommendation.
如果工作很累，建议中午小睡10到15分钟。如果工作很累，建议中午小睡10到15分钟。如果工作很累，建议中午小睡10到15分钟。
If you are very tired from work, it is recommended to take a nap for 10 to 15 minutes at noon.
If you are very tired from work, it is recommended to take a nap for 10 to 15 minutes at noon.
医生建议每天多吃蔬菜和水果，可以降低患癌症的风险。医生建议每天多吃蔬菜和水果，可以降低患癌症的风险。医生建议每天多吃蔬菜和水果，可以降低患癌症的风险。
Doctors recommend eating more vegetables and fruits every day to reduce the risk of cancer.
Doctors recommend eating more vegetables and fruits every day to reduce the risk of cancer.
如果感觉不适，建议去医院检查。如果感觉不适，建议去医院检查。如果感觉不适，建议去医院检查。
If you feel unwell, it is recommended to go to the hospital for examination.
If you feel unwell, it is recommended to go to the hospital for examination.
职业，职业，职业。
Occupation. Profession.
Occupation. Profession.
他的职业是律师。他的职业是律师。他的职业是律师。
He is a lawyer by profession.
He is a lawyer by profession.
只有选择自己喜欢的职业，才能获得长远发展。只有选择自己喜欢的职业，才能获得长远发展。只有选择自己喜欢的职业，才能获得长远发展。
Only by choosing a career that you like can you achieve long-term development.
Only by choosing a career that you like can you achieve long-term development.
职业技能培训对于职业发展非常有好处。职业技能培训对于职业发展非常有好处。职业技能培训对于职业发展非常有好处。
Vocational skills training is very beneficial for career development.
Vocational skills training is very beneficial for career development.
关键，关键，关键。
Key. Crux. Crucial.
Key. Crux. Crucial.
要想学好外语，关键就是多听多说，不要害怕犯错。要想学好外语，关键就是多听多说，不要害怕犯错。要想学好外语，关键就是多听多说，不要害怕犯错。
The key to learning a foreign language well is to listen more and speak more, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
The key to learning a foreign language well is to listen more and speak more, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
成功的关键在于不断努力、尝试和改进。成功的关键在于不断努力、尝试和改进。成功的关键在于不断努力、尝试和改进。
The key to success is to keep working hard, trying, and improving.
The key to success is to keep working hard, trying, and improving.
关键时刻，他救了我一命。关键时刻，他救了我一命。关键时刻，他救了我一命。
At the critical moment, he saved my life.
At the critical moment, he saved my life.
将来，将来，将来。
Future.
Future.
他决定报考师范大学，将来成为一名教师。他决定报考师范大学，将来成为一名教师。他决定报考师范大学，将来成为一名教师。
She decided to apply for a normal university and become a teacher in the future.
She decided to apply for a normal university and become a teacher in the future.
不要做出让你将来后悔的决定。不要做出让你将来后悔的决定。不要做出让你将来后悔的决定。
Don't make decisions that you will regret in the future.
Don't make decisions that you will regret in the future.
现在不停地努力，将来过上更美好的生活。现在不停地努力，将来过上更美好的生活。现在不停地努力，将来过上更美好的生活。
Keep working hard now and live a better life in the future.
Keep working hard now and live a better life in the future.
发展，发展，发展。
Develop.
Develop.
今年公司发展得很不错，利润比去年增长了2倍。今年公司发展得很不错，利润比去年增长了2倍。今年公司发展得很不错，利润比去年增长了2倍。
The company is doing very well this year, with profits tripling last year.
The company is doing very well this year, with profits tripling last year.
随着电子商务的发展，卖家可以进入全球市场。随着电子商务的发展，卖家可以进入全球市场。随着电子商务的发展，卖家可以进入全球市场。
With the development of e-commerce, sellers can enter the global market.
With the development of e-commerce, sellers can enter the global market.
让孩子朝着自己的兴趣发展。让孩子朝着自己的兴趣发展。让孩子朝着自己的兴趣发展。
Let your children develop towards their own interests.
Let your children develop towards their own interests.
躺，躺，躺。
Lie.
Lie.
晚上，我躺在沙发上看手机，不知不觉就睡着了。晚上，我躺在沙发上看手机，不知不觉就睡着了。晚上，我躺在沙发上看手机，不知不觉就睡着了。
At night, I was lying on the sofa looking at my phone and fell asleep without realizing it.
At night, I was lying on the sofa looking at my phone and fell asleep without realizing it.
我躺在床上翻来覆去睡不着。我躺在床上翻来覆去睡不着。我躺在床上翻来覆去睡不着。
I lay on the bed tossing and turning and couldn't sleep.
I lay on the bed tossing and turning and couldn't sleep.
我静静地躺在沙滩上，听着海浪的声音。我静静地躺在沙滩上，听着海浪的声音。我静静地躺在沙滩上，听着海浪的声音。
I lay quietly on the beach and listened to the sound of the waves.
I lay quietly on the beach and listened to the sound of the waves.
谢谢观看。